Raw butter chicken. Super simple. 2 kgs chicken thighs. Chicken thigh is better. 1 cup thick yogurt. 2 tablespoons Kashmiri red chili paste. You can watch my red tandoori chicken video for making this paste. Very easy. It makes the dish rich. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. This is the marination we are preparing for the dish. And 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon cumin powder. Salt as per your taste. 2 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Fresh ground mint leaves paste. This is optional. And 1 tablespoon of rose water. This will make the dish nice and rich. And optional KEWRA water. You can get this in any supermarket, but if you don't, it's still fine. 1 tablespoon black salt. And mix this all really well. Rub into the chicken, the masala, and keep this in the fridge overnight. You can store this in the fridge for 1 week. For the curry paste, 3 large tomatoes and 2 large onions. You can chop it up and this will make it into a smooth paste. Grind this along with 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. You can also use 1-inch ginger and 5 to 6 garlic pods. Now to make this dish rich, this is optional if you're nut allergic, but we're using soaked cashew, almond and walnuts. Soaked and peeled. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili paste. You can watch my red tandoori chicken video on how to make this Kashmiri red chili paste. It's really good and makes the dish give that color and makes it into a rich smooth paste. It gives a good authentic taste. So in a pan, 2 tablespoons of ghee and 3 tablespoons of butter. This recipe requires more butter, but if you prefer less fat, you can avoid it, reduce it, maybe use another option or oil as well. Anything, whatever you prefer. But butter gives that authentic butter chicken taste. So once the butter is melted, the ghee and the butter, you can add the chicken. Make sure you don't burn the butter, so gently mix it on medium heat. Now we'll add the marinated chicken which we had kept it in the fridge. Make sure you keep it outside for some time, at least for 1 hour before adding it to the butter. Add it gently and we'll be cooking this on medium heat. Now add the curry paste. You remember the curry paste which we ground? This all will give the dish the rich color, rich flavor, aroma. And cook this for 30 minutes on medium heat. Make sure every 15 minutes you scrape the bottom and stir it continuously so it's evenly cooked. And you can eat this with any bread, naan, chapati, or like us, have it with rice. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to Indian Curry Recipes. Thank you. Bye.
Now you can make it from home. Join us today.
Subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button for notification. New recipes each week. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support. Please do subscribe and support us. Thank you so much. Remember, every Friday 12 p.m. new recipe UK time. Thank you. Bye.